Alright. So I'm gonna play you one of my favorites that I've ever written. It's called It's Gonna Rain. And, it's about how life is like a river. And it's better to go with the flow, than dam up and get stagnant. Cause it's gonna flow either way. So get with it. Well, they say it's gonna rain. Oh, baby. But they never say one day. Oh, well, dang. I drive myself insane. Oh, real crazy. I need to change my way. Oh, change my way. Gotta keep on moving, baby. It's the only thing I know. Oh, yeah. It's the only thing, the only thing I know. Well, they say a river runs through it. Oh, I'm a wandering way. Yeah, I'm a wandering way. I guess I should be used to it by now. Oh, I shouldn't care. Yeah, I shouldn't care. Oh, gotta keep on moving, baby. The only thing I know. Yeah, it's the only thing I know. Sometimes in life it throws you a boulder. Sometimes it's only a stone. Say I gotta wait till we bold it. Oh no. But sometimes I just won't find a hole. Gotta keep on jamming, baby. It's the only thing you know. Yeah, 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 the only thing you know. Alright, so keep on moving forward. Because that's the only way to go. Yeah, it's the only thing you know. Yeah, the only thing you know. Alright.